Hi, David from PDI. Do you want to know what the best giveaway at an exhibition is? The one that really succeeds? Answer, the one that gets there. I know it sounds coy, but you can spend an awful long time thinking about your giveaways and your promotional gifts, trying to get creative, trying to create that one product which will give a real buzz at the exhibition. But if it doesn't get there, time wasted. So why do I say that? Well, exhibitions can be a bit of a problem in terms of distribution. If you're listening to this in the UK, you'll know the XL Centre. The XL Centre, big exhibition centre. If you use DPD, DHL, FedEx, and you ship a couple of parcels to the XL, I can almost guarantee it won't get there. Even if you've marked it up with the stand, the exhibition, contacts, phone numbers, it will not get there. The carrier will simply arrive at the exhibition centre, look at it, and then leave. Why is that? Well, because there's no direct way to get in for a delivery. What you need to do is be in contact with the on-site logistics company. That's true of the XL, it's also true of the NEC, it's also true of Frankfurt Messe and the Paris exhibitions. If it's a big exhibition hall, just sending it in ain't gonna work. If it's a smaller event, something like a hotel where you've got a round table event, then certainly if you're shipping from the UK to the UK, you're probably going to be okay. If you're shipping from the UK and you're trying to get into a European hotel, then you're going to have issues. Why? A hotel is defined as being a business. If you're exporting, you will need an EORI number, and the hotel probably hasn't got one. And if they do, they almost certainly won't share it. What that means is that if you're going to a hotel for a round table event, you're going to need to ship your goods from within the EU. People like PDI can help you with that because we've got places in the EU so that we can ship to a warehouse and then onwards or directly from within the EU. But beware of hotels because they won't have the EORI number. Of course, the way around all of this is to do with planning. Exhibitions and events, usually you've got lots of time, but this is marketing, so things change at the last minute. But be aware of this. If the week before you go, I need a new product, then you're going to be very limited. And I say that because whilst there are plenty of promotional goods that we can turn around in 2 days, 3 days, the ones that you can turn around quickly are the common ones. It's the standard pen, the standard notebook, the standard looking bottle. That's all you're going to get quickly. If you want creativity, then planning. Give yourself loads and loads of time. And that time has to include physically getting it there. And physically getting it there is what will decide whether the product's a success. Final plug. If you're doing an exhibition, lots of things are happening. Who's attending, what does the stand look like, etc., etc. One thing that you don't want to be thinking about is tracking parcels around the country. A specialist, PDI, can help you with that because that's what we do. And you don't have to worry about that while you've got all the other things to worry about because you'll have someone looking after it for you. I hope that was helpful and not too condescending. Give us a call if you want to have a chat about how you get things into the exhibition.